Let's go over the inventory pot search program. First of all, it works the same no matter where you are in the system. Anywhere you would be looking up a pot, whether it be in an invoice, which we're going to be doing here, whether you be in a maintenance program, ordering program, service program. If you're looking up a pot, you're going to get the exact same screen, and it's going to work in the same fashion. So, first of all, when you type in a pot number, the system will automatically go out and look at two separate files. We have one file that has all your inventory items in it. It's any pot that you have sold or had some activity on. There's also another file that has all your manufacturer pot numbers. If you're a multi-brand dealer, you could have 1 million pot numbers or more in your manufacturer file. A typical manufacturer might have 200, 300,000 pots that you can actually order from that particular vendor. You may be only stocking 3,000 or 4,000 of them. So it always will look instantaneously into your inventory file. If it doesn't find it there, it'll automatically look in your manufacturer file and it'll show up on the screen. If in fact you type something that's not in your system at all, it'll now give you a lookup. Now when it does a lookup, it does it separately. First it looks in your inventory file, as we can see right here. It's trying to find the particular item you're looking for that you have in inventory versus something that you do not have in inventory. Now the search works a couple of different ways. Because I typed in this number here, it gave me a pot number lookup as close as it could to that particular pot number. And it's looking at all manufacturers. If I typed in a particular manufacturer code, I would narrow it down to one particular manufacturer. Now, the most powerful search is keyword. It defaults to a pot number search. For example, if I type in that, it's giving me any pot number that begins with 1100. If I hit keyword, now it's looking for anything with what I typed here anywhere in my inventory record. It could be in the pot number, in this case it is. It could be in the description. It could be in the bin location. It could be anywhere. For example, if I type in this right here, there again, it's getting it from my description. If I typed in the word tire, it's going to list every single tire. And like I said before, you can narrow it down to one particular vendor, or you can search all vendors. Also, if I clicked bin location, it's going to sort it by bin location. So keep in mind, we are only searching in our inventory file. Now, if I want to do a search in my manufacturer file, I would click here. Notice the color of the screen change. Notice it's telling me I'm looking in my manufacturer file. Every pot in here is something that I've probably never stocked before. And now I can do the same thing. If I want to type in a pot that begins with a certain particular pot number, I can do it like that. If I want to narrow it down to a particular vendor, I can narrow it down to a particular vendor. I also can do a keyword search here. Now, if you're doing a keyword search here and you find what you're looking for example, if I click this, now if you find what you're looking for, you can stop the search anytime you want, because keep in mind, there may be 1 million or 2 million records in this particular file. So this is how the search works. Whenever you find what you're looking for, it's a simple matter of selecting it, and now it's going to put it on the invoice, or it's going to put it into an order, or it's going to put it into the maintenance program. So that's the easy way to do a inventory pot search.